everybody, welcome back to yet another episode of Behind the Sparkle. Today we are back at the beautiful Mondrian Hotel here in Burleigh to shoot for another new product, our Heart Stardust Shimmer Puff. I am so excited. We have another really fun photo shoot planned, and we have an even bigger team this time, so I think it's going to be even more fun, and I'm so excited to take you guys along. Welcome to our Heart Stardust Shimmer Puff photo shoot location. Come in and I'll give you a little tour. First up, we have our beautiful bathroom. You may recognize this from our Sunset Shimmer Drops photo shoot. We have a beautiful view of Burleigh, ready for me to slay in these mirrors. And then if we come out here, we've got a cute little selfie mirror and the most beautiful bed. This will be where we're shooting a lot today. It is so comfy. I'm so excited to sleep in this later tonight. We've got our, is this like 360 views? What is this? 120 views? We've got big views of the whole of Burleigh. And then we come out here and we've got our beautiful little balcony. Okay, this is the newest member of the Glitter Girl team, everyone.
Hi everyone, my name is Summer.
What are you doing here at Glitter Girl, Summer?
So I am the new employee here. I'm the social media manager and I'm doing all the social content today for our new product.
So excited, you guys are probably going to be seeing a lot of her, and yeah, we're going to have lots of fun.
Yeah, get excited because this shoot is going to be like insane. Insane.
We've got Mum here, which I'm sure you guys all know, but you can reintroduce yourself.
Hello, I'm Mum.
What are you doing at the shoot today?
Paying the bills.
Oh,
Yep. And
why we brought her. It's only
and now I'm just sitting here looking at the view and enjoying everything. But no, I'll get my big fancy camera out later and do all the still shots and try and get a good hero shot of your face.
That's her task. Okay, moving down, we got another little content. We've got another lounger on the chair just looking out to the view, I guess. Who are you?
I'm Maddie.
Well, what are you doing?
Content. The ad content.
Yes, all the sleigh content. Are you just like preparing by sitting out watching the ocean?
Trying to find a whale, actually.
Oh, trying to find a whale, all right. The water looks really beautiful. I don't think it's whale season, is it? I don't think it's, okay, well it's coming into whale season.
We can just edit one in.
We'll edit, Sadie's gonna edit a whale jumping out of the ocean. Yay, now it's time to set up and get everything ready. They actually haven't brought our bags yet though, so I don't know what's going on there, but yeah. The bags are here. Hello, thank you so much. Huh?
I'm cute.
I know, they heard me talking about them, so now they brought the bags up.
Sophia, where do you want the stuff?
Just there, it's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, just there, that's perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah, just, anyway. Stressful. Okay, wait, I need to hang everything up.
Yeah.
Alright, we are in setup mode for the shoot, getting everything ready, but I thought before all the chaos starts, I'd run you guys through a little bit of how much work goes into these shoots. We like to make it look super fun, super easy on social media, but there is definitely a lot of work that goes into them. So I make these little documents that I give to the team, which I'm not going to show you too much, but it has everyone's roles, our mood boards. It's 20 pages long, so I'm not going to bore you. Shot lists, all the videos, all the content, absolutely everything that needs to be captured. So then once we get here, everyone knows what to do and it should all go smoothly because we put so much planning into it. So we're ready to have fun because I've been working hard to get everyone prepared. Hello. Oh my god, it looks so cute. Hello. Oh my god, so cute. Thanks. You look so cute. Thanks. Okay. Our next team member, Lexi. Oh, I already said your name. What's your name?
Lexi.
And what are you doing today?
I'll be modelling.
Wow! Yay! And now Sadie's going to introduce herself. Yay! Okay, our last team member that's always behind the vlog camera is Sadie.
Yeah, for a reason.
Sadie's slaying all of our
just
videos.
like vlogging and stuff. It's whatever.
She's planned all of the videos really hard, so excited to see your vision come to life. We are getting ready for our first video, which will be our dreamlike video, which is kind of the teaser of what the product is. So I'm going to go to bed in this beautiful little bed setup that we have, and then I'm going to wake up and it's going to be filled with pillows, heart shimmer puffs. I'm going to be kind of dreaming about the heart shimmer puff coming to life.
This is my outfit. My sparkly skirt. And
Fluffy. Oh, that's really cute. Yeah, that's really cute. It kind of looks AI. Like.
Can you show Sophia again?
Yeah. Okay, update. We are doing our teaser video that I just explained to you guys. This is my little setup that we have going. Can't really say my setup because all I've done is sit here and look pretty, and everyone's just done everything for me, but it's going really well. Okay everyone, we are onto our main hero video. So it's like Barbie coded. We have Lexi over here who's going to be delivering me all these things from the street, and I'm waving to her and she's going to come up and help me get ready. How are we feeling?
Good.
Good? I look so
Beautiful.
tall.
Yeah.
I'm
like
taller
my height.
than you.
What the hell?
Wow. I've got my pajamas with my like 10-inch heels.
10-inch.
10-inch. Maybe 3? 6, 7? Oh no! We are shooting Lexi waving to me like Barbie, and then I'm gonna go up there and wave to her from the room. Yay! Summer? I can't seem to get in contact with Summer. Do you have a phone on you?
No.
No phones?
No.
Uncontactable. Okay, we are on to our last scene of the main video. We're running a little bit behind time, but I put on this beautiful dress from the formal gallery. It's so stunning, and we're just pinning it because the straps are a little bit too big for me. Ow. But yeah! Outside to get some more shots in this stunning dress with the stunning shimmer. Looks absolutely incredible. Outside before the sun goes, I've got everyone standing here. Yay!
Okay.
And we're done. That's a wrap. It was so slay. The photo shoot just went fabulously. I'm so happy. Summer still wants everyone to get more content for socials, so she's yapping away about that. But if we forget about that, it all went really well. We got so much content. I hope content. I hope. I haven't looked at any of it, but I'm sure it's good. I've just trusted everyone. Surprising. Yeah, I haven't been able to find the phones. It's been shambles. Summer had 10 phones. It's all been a bit shambles, but we're done. I'm very happy with how everything went. What time is it?
It's like 5:30.
It's only 5:30?
That's so good.
Lexi here at 2, 3, 4. It's only been 3 hours.
That's really good. Do you guys understand?
We've done so much. We've done so much.
Yes, we have.
Wow. All right. Well, yeah, we're going to keep going through our content. If there's anything interesting, we'll show you. But I feel we've just all gone delusional. But shut the...
Okay, really? You can go ahead.
Sadie's...
Don't shop it.
Sadie's gone delusional. She's stopping the camera. But as I was trying to say before I was rudely interrupted, shop the Stardust Shimmer Puff now. Bye.